Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to discuss kingdom Monera, that is the first kingdom from biological classification. Five kingdom classification, first kingdom. So it includes all the prokaryotes. Monerans are the prokaryotes, such as bacteria, all the types of bacteria, archaebacteria, eubacteria, mycoplasma, actinomyces, and the cyanobacteria. So there is a blue-green algae actually. So these are the simplest ones with unicellular structure and cell wall. They contain made up of a peptidoglycan, that is a polysaccharide sugar molecule or murin it is, and the membrane bound cell organelles are absent completely. Okay, that is normal endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, all these organelles are absent. And that they have various types of the nutritions, that is saprophytes depend on dead ones, and parasites cause diseases, chemoautotrophic, photoautotrophic, as well as symbiotic type. The symbionts means which will have a mutual relationship with the other organism. And here the DNA is the naked one, that is nucleus and nuclear membrane is completely absent. So DNA is present in the cytoplasm without any membrane, so called as nucleate. Reproduction takes place by a asexual method, that is a binary fission. So these are the general characters, and let us see the classification of the monerans, which include archaebacteria, eubacteria, cyanobacteria, actinomycetes, as well as the mycoplasmas. Let us see one by one. First one is the archaebacteria. Actually this is the oldest bacteria, and also single cell simple prokaryotes in the primitive one, oldest bacteria, which lack a well defined nucleus because it is a prokaryote, and it is found in where it is present. Actually it is found in the unusual environment, like in hot springs, that is ocean depths or the salt. So that's why we are calling them as thermophiles or acidophiles or the halophiles, because based upon their habitat. And the cell wall is made up of pseudopeptidoglycan, that is a pseudomurin. What is that? False one, which will looks like that but function will be different. And these are also called as the methanogens. What is this methanogen? Because they will produce a methane gas or a biogas or gobar gas. Okay, so these are the general characters. If you see the eubacteria, eubacteria means comes all these are present in all kinds of the habitat, and all the prokaryotes with a single cell and cell wall, of course they are the bacteria, so contain made up of peptidoglycan. And nucleus is absent in them. Nucleus, of course, well defined nucleus, it is absent. Only DNA circular plastic, we call it as a extra chromosome self replicating DNA segments are present here. They are called as a plasmid. They are present in the cytoplasm, so they are called as a plasmid circular ones, which have the self replicating DNA extra chromosomal one. And all the remaining cell organelles are absent, and these are both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition they will show. And they reproduce by bacteria. Actually they will undergo binary fission. Along with that, some sexual processes are also present. Okay, if you see the uses, what is the use of actually this? So these are the natural scavengers. They will depend on dead organic matter, so they will clean everything. Okay, these are used in the fermentation process for the vinegar manufacturing, yogurt making. Streptomyces has a, as well as Streptomyces, it is a species which will produce the antibiotics. Okay, antibiotics they will produce, and so these are the few. And also curd making, yogurt here is a curd making, lactobacillus, yes. So these are the bacteria which are useful ones. And generally we see the bacteria everywhere. Fine, so these are the general characters. If you see the harmful effects, let us see harmful effects of the bacteria. So bacteria, they will cause the diseases, right? So one of the harmful effects, that is food poisoning. So food poisoning occurs due to they will produce the toxins by some of the bacteria like Clostridium botulinum. They will cause the botulism, which can kill the humans by the paralysis, respiratory paralysis. And bacteria responsible for many plant diseases they will cause, like citrus canker in the lemon, soft rot in carrots, blight disease in the rice plants, Crohn gall disease in apple trees, etc. Fine. Humans also, in humans also, bacteria will cause the diseases like cholera, gastric ulcers, TB, sexually transmitted diseases, syphilis, like that. Okay, next one is the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, these are the blue-green algae, have many characters similar to the bacteria, so that's why they are included under the bacterial group. Monerans, okay, so they have the prokaryotic one, and cell wall is also have a rigid cell wall surrounded by mucilaginous sheath. Yes, and cell wall is followed by the plasma membrane made up of the lipid and the proteins, and these have other organelles like the bacteria all are absent, cell organelles. So some cyanobacteria possess special type of the cells called heterocyst to fix the nitrogen. So these are the special cells because the normal cells, if they covered with a one thick material sheath, so those cells, specialized cells, we call them as a heterocyst to fix the nitrogen. And types of multiplication they will undergo like binary fissions or the fragmentation, spores like a conidial asexual spores they will produce, or endospores and exospores, or the non-reproductive structures also they will produce. So these are the different types of the multiplication seen in the cyanobacteria, which will later after these multiplications they will develop into the new organism. Okay, so these and next coming to the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma are the organisms so that completely lack without cell wall they are. So without means they are pleomorphic. They can change their shape. A cell wall will maintain its shape, but here it is absent, so it can change its shape. So they are the pleomorphic ones, and these are the causes diseases. So that's why they will cause the mycoplasma like organisms or the pleuropneumonia like organisms based upon the diseases they will cause. In plants also they will cause a disease like a witch's broom. Next, actinomyces. So these are the group of microorganisms combining the traits with fungi. They will show similar characters like the fungi because they have a mycelium structure, filamentous structure, and bacterial characters also they will show based upon their shapes. Okay, so these are the parasites which will cause diseases. One of the example is Corynebacterium, and also they will cause TB, and also Streptomyces. All will comes under the actinomyces. So these are also a type of the bacteria. Generally, these are the gram positive as well as anaerobic bacteria. Anaerobic means we know that. So these anaerobes they does not require oxygen for their survival, and also gram positive based upon their cell wall. Okay, hope so all of you understood. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.